We'll call you my friend. In many ways, considering how the government has treated you, it's not surprising. Where do you go from here? Do you think you've got any chance on appeal?
Wow. Well, first of all, Michael, thank you so much for having me. And, yes, today I was convicted, but I don't think Ray and I and Rappler, we weren't the only ones on trial. I think today also the Philippine justice system was on trial. As you pointed out, I've been under attack by my own government for 4 years now, since 2016. And we were targeted by the authorities after the government's weaponization of social media. So we were first targeted in 2016 with these exponential attacks on social media. Well, today, the judiciary just became complicit in this insidious campaign. It really is death by 1,000 cuts. And the end goal is to silence independent journalism, stifle press freedom. But
I appeal again. Don't be afraid. Because if you don't use your rights, you will lose them. If we don't challenge a brazen move to try to roll back the rights guaranteed in the Constitution, we will lose them.
I don't think there is what they're harping on press freedom. That is not the case here. It's a simple case of a private individual filing a case for the vindication of his reputation.
Okay, before we get to that issue, we have Maria Ressa and of course Ray Santos. They remain free for now, despite the guilty verdict. Are you okay with that?
That is the procedure, so we have to abide with it.
Okay. Now we have Mr. Keng saying that he strongly supports press freedom, as mentioned by you and his other lawyers. But this case is being portrayed as an example of press freedom being curtailed. How does Mr. Keng feel about that?
First of all, Mr. Keng is all for press freedom. He is supportive. This case does not in any way suppress press freedom. If at all, we are only asking for accountability. They could have at least presented their basis for the online article. So we hope that this case would serve as a lesson not only to the press, not only to media personalities, but to everyone to be responsible in posting. We are asking for accountability and responsible journalism.
Attorney